Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements in Oracle as well as in Oracle Cloud Technologies. So in this session, we are going to discuss simple SQL interview question. Most of the interviewers, they will be asking how you can go for copy the entire table structure as well as the data also from the table. So generally, let's say we have already table this. Let's say we have employee table here, and this is having some records. We have around 13 or 14, some 16 records we have. So I would like to create a new table. Table name is EMP underscore duplicate as write the query. Select star from EMP. What system is showing table EMP underscore duplicate execution is completed. Create table name as select from the table. Name is already used by an existing object. This name is already exist. Okay. So we'll go with having some other naming convention. I just added one that now execution completed with warning and create table name as SQL command showing that table emp underscore duplicate one here. Yeah, now it's done successfully. So sometimes the organization, like in the interview point of view, this is that I want to create a new table with a single command, create table name with having copy the data from other table. Then we will go for use this query. But we would like to go for have the same table with same table structure, but I don't want to copy the data. So we can write something, we don't know what data is there in the table. If you know the data which is available in the table, for example, if I write department number equal to 60, then 0 rows will be copied, right? But we don't know what data is there inside of this table. So when you are not clear, then we can write a simple where 1 equal to 2 or some invalid condition. Now the table is created successfully here. But we don't find the data because that where clause will not satisfy any, it will not be satisfied any data, right? So the table is there, table structure is there, and we will go for find the information, only the table structure. We don't find any data because we have written a where clause, which is always false, right? So we'll have only table. So these are the two things we have to remember. The question will be, I want to create a table and copy, or I want to copy the table by using single command, sometimes with data, sometimes without data. Then how can you do it? So this we can go for explanation. Okay, thank you. And subscribe for our channel to get 100 important FAQs in the SQL. Thank you.